This model kit review is of the Italeri 148 scale model of the Red Arrows. This is a BAE Hawk, and this is the 50th anniversary version. And some nice box art there showing us the actual plane, some of the details about the plane, the length. And here it shows our decals and the painting guide. Let's have a look inside. So first of all, these decals are truly exceptional. Great quality. Very well printed, and a lot of detail. It's typical Italeri quality. And let's have a look at our sprues. So this seat appears to have come off already. Here's our canopy. You can just see there the engravings for the injection explosives in the canopy. These are a mixture of raised and recessed panel and rivet lines. These are ducts for the engine, air intakes, all fairly well molded. Looks like our cockpit here, fuel pod. This is the back part, the nose wheel well. Some detail here on the inside of the cockpit, and our instrument panels here. They're blank because we were using instrument panel decals. Here are the wings, which are nicely molded. Here's this top surface of the wing, our landing gear here, and our flaps, tail wing. Here's our wheel well for the main gear. And looks like our rudder over there. We do have some detail on the inside of this wheel well. Looks like we have the actuators, and then parts for, looks like most likely our landing gear, engine. Here's the other engine. Looks like these are duplicate. These are actually our ejection seat parts. And wheels. So we have two seats there. Let's have a look at our instructions. So we start off with our parts guide, and then the colors needed. We start off by putting together the cockpit and the ejection seat. So two of those. The engine is put together, and with the exhaust, and the fuselage is then glued together. The rest of the body panels are applied, including the air intakes. Wings are put together, and those are then glued onto the fuselage. The actuators are glued on, along with our brake, up or down. And the other version, the other way to have them is up. Here's our landing gear and wheel well covers, nose gear, and last few pieces including the canopy, open or closed, And then decal and painting guide. All in all, this is a very good quality model, well molded, and lots of good decals.